Want to create a YouTube channel but hate the way you sound or look?
People just don't understand me.
Don't fret, AI has you covered. In fact, many popular channels currently are or can be run almost entirely by AI, and just look how much money they're raking in. Interested? Because you should be. First things first, it's niche time, baby. While you can vary the subject matter of each video, it's best if you stay within an overarching niche. This way, people are more likely to subscribe to you as they know exactly what content to expect. You can make AI videos about anything, reviews, science, commentary style videos, but for this channel, I think I'm going to go with storytelling, as this niche works very well with AI. Now we have our theme, we can create a name. If you can't think of one, head over to ChatGPT and ask away. You'll be spoilt for choice. I like fables in motion, let's go with that. Next up, we need a profile picture. For this, we can use any number of AI image generators. I'm using Playground AI here. Chuck in your prompt and select 1024 by 1024. Perfecto, this will do. Upload that sucker to YouTube and then head over to Canva for your banner. Select the YouTube banner template and drag your profile picture in. Make sure it sits within the visible boundary for all devices and add some text too. Lovely stuff. Back to ChatGPT now, we need our story. I'm going to create one about a mischievous boy who sets traps for Santa Claus so that he can steal all of the other children's presents. I'm intrigued to see what this kid comes up with. Rigging the chimney with butter and laxative cookies. Nice one, kid. A sound strategy, but I fear you're probably on the naughty list for next year. If you like your story the way it is, great. If not, you can always tinker. Just know that ChatGPT struggles to produce more than 1,000 words. If you want your story longer, ask ChatGPT to extend it. Now we have the story, we need a voiceover. There are many different AI voiceovers out there, but lots are pretty bad.
I'm an AI voice generator.
I found the creme de la creme of AI voiceovers is 11 Labs. Many of the voices on this platform are so high quality that you can't really tell they're made by AI. Head over to their website and sign up. Full disclosure, this is a paid service. You can use it for free to test out, but ultimately we're here to make money, and for that you need their commercial license, and you don't get that with their free package. Fortunately, the starter package is very cheap, it's just $5 and the first month is 80% off. Click subscribe and paste in your generated story, then select a narrator who you like. Let's listen to a preview.
Once upon a time, in a small town nestled amidst snow-covered hills.
Damn, that sounds good! Click this button here to download. The next AI software we're going to use is Pictory AI. This will take our audio and transform it into a beautiful video without the usual need for tedious editing that takes hours. Make an account and select the edit videos using text box, then upload your audio file and customize. Below you will see that Pictory AI has split our video into scenes and applied footage that's relevant to the audio. At least, usually it does. With my story, unfortunately Pictory AI has failed to find suitable videos to match up. No worries, you need to know this step anyway, as you might not like the videos that Pictory AI chooses. To swap out a video, go to Visuals and then use the search bar to look for better clips. Hover over for a preview and left click once to insert. You may also want to add some music. Click the audio tab and search once more. When you find one you like, press apply. Then click volume and play the video to see if it is loud enough. Finally, change the text you're liking by clicking on it. This will give you a handy toolbar where you can change the font, size and other key features. Don't forget to click apply to all when you're finished. And now you're done! That didn't take very long, did it? Let's take a look at the finished product.
Once upon a time, in a small town nestled amidst snow-covered hills, lived a mischievous child named Timmy. Timmy was known throughout the town for his wild imagination and penchant for getting into trouble.
I think we can all agree that sounds pretty professional. Click here to download, and when it's done, get uploading it to YouTube. In the meantime, we can start working on that thumbnail. I'm going to use Playground AI once more here. Input your desired prompt, and when you produce one you like, save it. Then it's back over to Canva, create a new project of 1280 pixels by 720 and paste in your image. Fit it to size and then add some text in to draw any potential visitors. This looks pretty good to me, let's save it. Now we can head back over to YouTube, stick in our thumbnail, add in the rest of the necessary info, and we're done! Not bad, eh? We've produced a video almost entirely made by AI and for a fraction of the time it would have taken to make ourselves. I call that a solid day's work. If you're interested in further leveraging AI to make bucket loads of money, drop me a subscribe. I have lots of new videos planned that you don't want to miss out on.